Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If today is your first time visiting with us, we want to extend to you a very warm welcome and invite you to browse in almost 400 videos that we've generated ever since we started the channel. But we're confident you're going to find something both enjoyable and useful for you. If you've been here before but you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. So today we start by working on a non-project project. In other words, we're not going to build anything today. Now, those of you that have followed us for a while, you know we are moving. So the thing we're going to show you today is how to create a kit of tools to take with you that will be very useful for your move while you're doing something like we do that is going halfway across the country. We're moving from the middle of the country to the East Coast. So stick around and see what we consider to be the most useful. So I have this tool bag that I really like, that I have not used much really, but I think this is the one that I want to take with me. So I will start with some cleaning action. So this is a good time to put your volume down if you want. What? Okay, we'll call that clean for our purposes. Part of why I like this is because it has this nice handle that will make it easy. I mean, this nice, that's not a handle, what is this?
Strap.
A strap. But also has a nice handle, so yeah. It's easy to move around. There are a couple of items already here. This is an interesting screwdriver that has a, it does have a light, but it doesn't want to turn on loud.
Probably needs new batteries.
Batteries, what is that? And this is just your basic screwdriver. It uses normal, standard bits. And again, the fact that it has a light helps you. We're going to show you in a moment with the batteries. And it is a ratcheted one. It has, as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it.
Directions.
So it is an easier screwdriver to use than just constantly. Yeah. So this is a nice little piece of equipment. I do enjoy it, even though I don't think we've ever shown it to you, have we? And Miss Wizard currently brought the batteries. Do you remember how they go? We'll see. If it doesn't go this way, it goes the other way. I guess it doesn't go that way. It says something here. What does it say?
Insert into flashlight.
Okay, I understand that, but it goes that way, or?
Yes. That's why there's an arrow.
Imagine that.
The directional arrow.
Still doesn't work. Do you change all the
Maybe
batteries?
it's those Harbor Freight batteries.
I don't think it has Harbor Freight batteries.
The yellow ones are the Harbor Freight ones.
Yeah, could you possibly use other batteries? Thank you, sorry. Yeah, we found out that Harbor Freight batteries do not work very well.
They don't last very long. Like, we've been happy with just about everything else from Harbor Freight, but the batteries, not so much.
I do like this on this bag. It has a lot of little pockets and knickknackers.
Knickknackers.
Yeah, knickknack. You can
Look,
match
it
this.
even has a little hook for, I think it's your tape measure.
Yeah. And
So
we're
you
going to
can
take,
one of the 85 that you have.
and apparently I had
Nails.
nails in this.
There's another one on the floor. Don't let it stay on the floor.
Okay, so that's good. We're not going to spend too much time. If we cannot make it work, we'll worry about it off camera, but it will be neat to see it. Nah, because we don't have the battery.
That's what I figured out. But it's a cool thing.
Yeah, it is a cool thing.
Alright. Why don't we gather some tools and come back and tell them.
Right, okay. It needs to be smaller. Nope.
So it's not a number 2.
Well, maybe this is not number. So we start taking apart my very well organized charging station, as you can see here. It's a little sadness here. This specific one is actually attached to the wall, and what we're doing now is we're simply taking the charger. As you can see here, I have all the chargers for all my equipment, and we need the Black & Decker charger. I decided to take this specific item with me. So where are the two batteries?
Over on the bench.
Okay, so that will be plenty of batteries for us, right? Or okay, can put this here. We're going to take this with us with miscellaneous sizes of screws and
Nails and such.
nails and diddly does. That's the official term.
He does.
Yeah.
Think about the rocks.
And we're going to take my zircon. Okay, and it has battery, so that's a good thing.
Finder. Okay.
You found the stud. Does it say stud there?
It's all lit up. Yeah.
But does it say stud?
It says, oh, there it is. Stud.
See, you found the stud. So we'll put that here, right?
Okay, we're still looking for tools. We're not filming too much more until we find more tools, though, right?
I don't know. So we're putting the charger first in the bottom here, inside our bag. And I have, for this specific drill, I have 3 batteries. One is already on the drill, and we're going to put the other 2 in the bag. One of our favorite Harbor Freight tool giveaways are these flashlights, and I have maybe 10 or 11, I don't know how many I have.
12.
I don't have 12.
12.
So we're going to get 2 of them. They're really a great value at $0.
Especially when they're free, yes.
And now I'm going to put the drill in here. This is in case we need to, for our temporary housing, if we buy something that we need to put together. Usually they have this kind of connector, right?
Yep.
So this will go in here as well. We're going to take a hammer. We're taking a measuring tape. That's a necessary thing. I don't think I can fix the thing. I can, okay. So we're taking a hammer. We're taking Elpida's favorite toolkit. This is actually one we have given away in the early days of the channel as well. So that goes in here as well. And instead of the red one, we decided this is a better option because it has a variety of bits. It is also a ratcheted one, and it seems to be a better choice, right? And this is our miscellaneous hardware and bits, and you know it has all kinds of neat things in here. This is called the viewtainer. It's like container but not, right?
So you can view what's in there.
Yet I cannot because I put it in there.
Wow.
Alright, we have one of the small torpedo levels. I think that will be useful. And we are putting that there. A few more miscellaneous bits.
I thought you didn't need them now that you're taking the other.
You can never, you know how these are very different sizes.
Okay.
So it is not a big thing. We're getting a self-adjusting. This is a rigid robo grip, and this is a Stanley. I mean, when you go to something like that, you don't want to take 5 of these, right? Mm-hmm. And this adjusts from, my old eyes cannot see, to, anyway, this has a scale. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. It is very faint. It's not important because you just close it on the bolt you want and you don't care what size it is, right? You just do it.
As long as it fits.
Right. Right, babe, what else we need?
I don't know. What else do you think you need?
I think that should be plenty for what we're doing, no? Can you think of anything else, Elpida?
Not for your first little bit out there. I'm sure you'll think of something.
Well, we're not taking that with us tomorrow. That is from when we
I
move.
know.
Yeah.
That's for when you move, but I think that's a good starter.
We have a pencil. No, we're not taking the heavy equipment. That will stay here for a while. And we will take a couple of flashlights. Well, let's take this all-purpose little saw, so we have something to cut with, right?
Okay, right.
Right?
Right.
Right, left.
Right. Hey, instead of,
What?
I was thinking it might be better off here, so it'll stay straight instead of kind of jammed in there.
I don't know because I don't think it will fit.
You don't think so?
No.
Okay.
It has that big.
The big.
Yeah, it's one.
Alright. Just trying to keep you from bending the blade accidentally.
Well, that's why I have it next to this big one. What? We need a cutlery thingy?
A cutting tool.
Cutlery?
Okay, the cutlery mic can go there.
Just the utility knife.
It's not called a cutlery, it's called the utility knife.
Yeah.
Who would have known? I think that is a nice basic toolkit, unless of course you care about your safety.
Right.
And in
Last
that
but not
case,
least-
huh?
Last but not least, some safety glasses.
But you can see this little bag really has a lot of space. Right?
Yep.
Right.
Right.
And in case we go crazy and decide to build something when we're there, we'll get
Some gummy glue.
yummy glue.
Gummy.
Oh, yummy glue.
It's kind of gummy.
It's fine.
Alright.
I'm sure Miss Wizard will not let me buy any tools while we're there.
The answer is
Is that the answer?
that's
Heck no.
Heck no. Alright folks, and this is, I think, a nice basic toolkit that can allow you to take things apart when we're moving, put things back together, right?
right.
Maybe even allow me to build something for a project down there. Up there. Where are we going?
Cross. It's actually east.
Side there?
Just east.
Side there.
Yeah. Not up or down, just east.
Oh, it has to be a little up or down. I think it's a little down, isn't it? I don't know.
Whatever. East.
But this is really something I've liked ever since I bought it.
Excuse me.
Yes.
You did not purchase that thing.
I did not.
No, I did.
Oh,
It
that
was a gift.
was a gift
I'm
from
glad
you.
to see you using it.
Okay. Ever since I bought it for me,
Yep.
and still we could put more things if we wanted. I mean, we're not full. I don't know. Miss Wizard is looking around to see if we need anything else. Do you want those magnetic hooks, honey? They are neodymium magnet hooks. So we'll take them with us?
Sure, why not?
I don't want to take them just to take them. I'm just saying.
Anything that fits in that bag you can take.
I can fit a lot of things in this bag
All right.
if that is the rule. All right, I think that's, what do you think? I think that's plenty for what we need,
Yeah.
right? I bet I can even build something with this.
It's a good traveling toolkit. Yep.
All right, folks. I hope you enjoyed this little episode. Even though we didn't build anything, we saw you the reality of moving. Unfortunately, the way we're moving is a little more unconventional, because we both have to be there very quickly. Our jobs require us to be there within 2 or 3 weeks from when we learn we're moving. So we don't have the time to really pack everything. We have to come back and pack things and do this kind of thing. But in any case, if you did like this episode at any level, please give us a thumbs up. We'll really appreciate it. If we didn't, a thumbs down work as well. Keeping in mind a small kitten dies somewhere whenever you give a thumb down. Share, like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see. And we're going to probably, for the next few weeks, give you videos relating to moving, finding your way, and things of this nature. From the Garage Wizard, Mrs. Wizard, and Elpida in the Urban Homesteading channel, from one of our last videos from Kansas, we bid you a great week.